Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about horticulture multiple choice questions previously asked in various exams. The answer is the correct answer is bold letters. Horticulture is the study of fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. Root suckers are the shoots that arise from roots to form new plant. Variety or strain produced by horticultural agricultural techniques and not normally found in natural population is called cultivar. Cryopreservation is a technique used for seed saving. In hybridization, this is not part of the technique is called use of two plants to bridge the stem together. Tissue culture is a good technique to eliminate the virus. The following is not a plant growth regulator. Acetic acid. Mycorrhiza is associated with the following. Formation of root nodules is mycorrhiza. The pH in soils can be raised by adding lime. In cold places, frost damage can be reduced in horticulture crops using these methods except greenhouses and shade nets. Disadvantages of natural vegetative propagation includes lack of dispersal mechanism. Onion and garlic are examples of bulb. Examples of corm include gloriosa. A common example of stem tuber potato. External agencies are not required in natural vegetative propagation. In cutting method of vegetative propagation, cuttings are mainly taken from roots or stems of parent plant. Example of plant in which vegetative propagation is occurred by leaves is called cryophyllum. Examples of natural vegetative propagation does not include corals. Considering corms of natural vegetative propagation, buds are present at top of corm. Artificial methods of vegetative propagation includes cloning, grafting, cuttings. Includes grafting and cuttings. Vegetative propagation artificial by means is grafting and cuttings. Advantages of artificial methods of vegetative propagation includes ability to produce plants with desirable qualities. A low branch with a node is bent down and covered with the soil is called layering. Layering can be done on the plants such as lime. Using as lime. Roses can grow successfully if stalk and cion are of related species. These are the few horticulture multiple choice questions which I asked in various competitive exams. Thanking you dear friends. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.